Hello guys, welcome to my channel once more. So today I'm going to show you how to light my Jiko, how I do lighting my Jiko. That's my Jiko there. Okay, then those are charcoals. Yes, and if you're new here, kindly like, share and subscribe. For the returning viewers, thank you very much. And yes, today being a holiday, I'm going to use my Jiko today. I'm cooking some chicken, and yeah, let me show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, so washa for me here with kiberiti. You see, very fast, very fast. In a minute it will be ready to put in my Jiko. I use Jiko core because it's easy for me, haina moshi, and doesn't use a lot of charcoals. Is it charcoal or charcoals? Charcoal. Those are mangoes. Okay. Let me show you guys this chicken my mom-in-law ametuletea. We are so happy. She's such an amazing mom. And guys, do you eat this migu for chicken and the neck? Ah. Really? So this is the chicken I'm going to boil first with the Jiko. My Makaas are almost ready. Then I'm going to use the tongue to remove them and put them in the Jiko. Yes. You tell me how you wash your Jiko. Do you use peppers? Do you use those two sticks? There's those sticks we used to use in Nakuru. You remember? With paraffin. Yeah? Do you use them? Ama tu natumia tu kuni za kawaida. For me, this is my easiest way to light the Jiko. Yes. So I am going to add some more Makaa. It's going to light now. Nimetoa nje, ipepe tuna upepo. Yes. I'm adding some Makaa.
Huh? Nothing is happening.
Kata baby. So guys, you see my Jiko now is ready. You see? Come out of there. Yes. So, yes. And that's the way I do it. Easy and quick. Okay? Sio karatasi. Kungangana. That's easy. Thank you guys. Guys, that's my Jiko after like 7 minutes. Yes, and it's ready now. Taekelea maji. Then I boil my chicken. Now there's my Jiko, my people, you see. it's good now. And next thing I'm going to do, this is my chicken. After cutting for like 30 minutes, then I'm going to add some hot water. Do boil haraka. I think I'll boil it for like 2 hours or 3 to get soft. Then I add bay leaves and salt. Don't mind my container, this is salt. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and karibuni chicken.